Hey, so here is this app BrightSpace Pulse. So just tap Get to install it and use a Touch ID or Face ID. And it's a mobile app for students that can help you stay connected and on track with your BrightSpace courses. Easy view, of course, calendars, reading assignments, evaluations, grades, and all of that. So that's super interesting. Can now miss the deadlines, and then and then you just select here. So dependent that your university should use that, and then you just need to sign in with your university credentials, and then just use a username and password. So yeah. And then you're just redirected and you need to sign in there. So I think that's the idea here. That's how you sign into the app with your account. Hopefully that's helpful.